So hello guys, I'm your host, I'm your teacher. Again, I'm coming from you, come for you. So I'm look every day I'm making my content creation better and better for my improvement and also your improvement because I really want that everyone you should speak English very fluently, very sparkly and very confidently. So everyone you're gonna just attach the word and look, it's very important. Now we are moving in a AI. So if you've seen my last dozen of video which I made for you, then you can easily see that I have talked about each and every topics. I talked about verb, tense, how to make sentence, how to we use present past continuous, how gonna we use ing. I talked everything. Now today we are look, here are some words and there are spelling and meanings. Now I'm gonna make a sentence and we will discuss more of topics. Look, this is the way you will speak English. I if you have seen my last two videos and I one thing I'm telling my each and every video that you will only speak until you will. If you don't practice you won't speak, but if you practice daily at least 15 and 20 minutes daily, then you're going to speak very fluently and very correctly. Okay, English is not about that some kind of taboo. I know in India many people think that in English is a taboo. No, it's not a taboo. Just be super cool, be relaxed, be chill, and speak. You can wherever you want to be. It's not about people are judging you and people are recognizing you that you are a very bad English speaker. It won't. It doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter that you are belong to be Hindi medium or English medium. Look, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's up to you that you're gonna speak or not. It's only up to you. So here are some words and there are some spelling. Decided, deceive, effective, efficient, enlist, economical, economic, enduring, immigrant, enormity, ensure, assure, envelope, decided. So if you decided, have you decided that what you gonna do and what to, what you want to choose? I really think that you decided that where you want to study in abroad in India. I know you have enough knowledge to understand each and every university and each and university's environment, so you can. I'm sure that you are able to take your decision and you are just perfect to take your decision. Deceive, deceive. I think this match gonna be deceived to this series. Okay, we can say that result. We can say that there are lots of similar word. So we can use. Look, if you have many option, there. Look, English is like a Hindi. In Hindi, we called paryavachi shabd. So this is in English. There are one word and there are thousand of word which are similar to that word meaning. Okay, so always just choose and pick up the simple word, then you're gonna speak very fluently. Yes, it always work like that. If you're gonna choose just a normal and simple word, then you're gonna speak very fluently. Okay, effective. Yeah, this is very important. Effective. Either you are effective or not. If you want to be effective, then you really should work hard. If you really want to be effective in this competition, then you really have to hard work and you really have to chase this thing. This is only you can be effective and you're gonna crack this exam. Otherwise you are just taking lots of cup tea and showing the world that you are a very brilliant and very sharp student. It won't work like that. I'm telling you, it won't work like that. Okay, so always be effective, efficient, efficient. I think you are efficient to do this work. Okay, I think you are efficient to do like this. Efficient about what you think. If you are really efficient about your skill, then no one will going to stop you. No one can say that you are less or more than anyone. Okay, so always just be prepared your mind that you are just extraordinary, you are just a superhuman. This is just do better and better quality each and every day your work. Efficient, eliciate, we can use born. Okay, this is the so he born this baby, he discovered a new discovery, he discovered a new science, he discovered a new formula, so we can relate it. Economical, now our who's our economist, Dr. Nirmala Sitharaman. Yes, these she is our finance minister, and you really know so what she want to us, and what kind of government she want to run. I mean, we all mature and we are very mature people, so we can really understand what she want. She wants build a very great nation. She wants to build this economy compete to the America, USA, China. Yes, she is so intelligent, so powerful lady, so women empowerment. I think one of the most iron lady ever born in this Indian constitution and in Indian history. No one can beat Nirmala Sitharaman, and people praise him each and every day. So what can I mean? One of the finest and one of the greatest finance minister of all time, Nirmala Sitharaman, is our finance minister. Yeah, she's a great woman lady. Economic, you can also relate it to Nirmala Sitharaman. Enduring. I think if you gonna endure yourself, if you gonna take a supplement, I won't recommend you that you have to take supplements or and you have to make body. No, don't never ever take supplements or any other things. Look, eat healthy, fit healthy, exercise daily, and makes your routine. So this is how you gonna build your body and build your health. Superb. Never I won't endure you that you should take some supplements or you should take some vitamin or some kind of steroid, so it will harm you. Okay, it's very harmful, and it will give you a very big disease, so always avoid it. It won't show you that, but in long term you're going to face a big problem, so stay away from this kind of thing. Immigrant, we can relate to the Bangladeshi and all the immigrants who are living in country. We called him immigrant, and why we calling out? So that's why our government, Amit Shah and Narendra Modi, given to the policy to CA and RC to check them out that who's gonna immigrant or who's Indian, who's non-Indian. Okay, because this is the thing we know exactly. We know that there are lots of Bangladeshi and live in our country. I mean, if you just visit the Kolkata, there are a lot of Bangladeshi. You know very well that you will recognize them there. So government want to see that who is a Indian or who is a non-Indian. I mean, look, I have not a full information about CNRC, but I will explain it. What kind? It is about Citizen Amendment Act, and yes, NRC CA is a Citizen Amendment Act, and there are huge mass crowd in a Shine Bagh, in everything in Delhi, which protest when this all the drama happened in the last before Corona. We have seen there are a lot of drama happened in India, enormity, and sure you have to ensure that you're gonna do this. Otherwise, I won't always praise you, and you have to ensure me that you're gonna do it, and you have to ensure me. Then you should check out, and you're gonna see it. Okay, ensure there are lots of if you just visit the Mumbai there, if there you're gonna see that there are work office which name is Jeevan Bima, and you can easily relate, and you can easily see that life insurance, health insurance, these are the trademarks, and these are the biggest benchmark. I mean, since I birth in this world, I am just listening that you should take this policy, you have to take insurance, you have to take life insurance. So I had plenty of times I heard it about it. Assure, you have to assure, and I'm assure you that you're gonna rock it. I'm assure you that you're gonna just make it. I'm assure you gonna blast it. I'm assure you that you gonna rock. Annual, if this is the no time, but and I no not seen this time annual because I was born in 14th January 1996. So, but there are time, so people talk to each another annual. Okay, so there are a time people talk each other annual, and I mean what there are time. I mean Telegram, the technology wasn't good that time. I mean people used to make it their hand phone. Okay, now we are taking Android and smartphone, lots of smartphone, and lots of Android now is on our hand. But there are time where people used to talk each other in envelope. Okay, so I'm sure you are just liking my content, and you are learning and growing each and every day. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel, so it will boost too. And look, if you are liking my content, please like my channel, and also give your opinion about in comment section. Do whatever you want to do. You are free to write everything. I mean, what you need. I mean, YouTube giving you freedom that you can do everything. You can write everything. So do whatever you want to write. Okay. So okay. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. We will meet next video. Okay.